I'm a managed services engineer. I provide level 2 support for infrastructure, IT and cloud services for our clients. I've worked for Xperience for about 8 to 9 years. The most common reason why our customers need to restore from backup is usually that someone has just simply accidentally deleted a file, or perhaps when clients are restructuring their file structure, relocating where files are saved, they may have accidentally misplaced it or accidentally deleted it, or the file may have become corrupted in that process. They're the most common reasons why someone might need to restore. The simple answer is you need to be backing up daily. If your company operates 5 days a week, then you should be backing up every one of those 5 days. Customers should be taking into consideration how many backup jobs are going to be run. Yes, one backup job is great, but my advice would be that you're going to need at least 2 independent backup jobs, preferably 3. And what we mean by that is that if you have a backup job, a single backup job going to a single device that sits in your office where your server is located, then you have a single point of failure. If something goes wrong with that backup repository, where are you then going to restore from should the worst happen? You need to be considering backing up to different locations, different repositories. It's great to implement a backup solution that meets your retention needs, that goes to different repositories, but it's also important to make sure that you don't just implement these backup jobs and then simply walk away. You need to make sure that there's someone designated, maybe a team designated in your company, that are checking the backups daily to make sure that each backup job is working, that it is successful, that they know how to identify if there's a warning, if there's a failure, or if the backup isn't working, that they can then report that to IT support and make sure that it is acted upon as quickly as possible, and that your backup jobs are working again should the worst happen. It's very, very important to make sure that you're checking your backups regularly and making sure that everything is working healthily, so that when you do need them, that when you do need to do a restore, when you do need to rely on them, that everything is fine and that you can, with confidence, restore from your backups.